Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing green from
Rainbow Friend.
Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artist, today my son Mateo is here with me. Mateo, wanna say hi?
Hello.
Mateo is gonna help me drawing green from Rainbow Friends.
I am green.
Let's start this picture in the middle of the paper and then we're gonna go up a little. We're gonna do a little line that's gonna be the top of his head. So we're just gonna draw a little line here. Then we're gonna do the eyes and we're gonna leave a space in between the eyes. So I'm gonna start doing here an oval shape. And this oval shape is slightly pointing to the right. And I want to do another one. Like I said, we're going to leave a space in between them. And this one is pointing to the left. Good job. Now we're going to do the inside of the eye. And this is another oval shape. And it's on the bottom of the eye. And it's going to look like this. I'm going to fill this with black. And then the other one is on the right side, touching the bottom. And we're going to also fill with black. Good. Now we're gonna do the side of his face and we're gonna do two short lines on each side underneath the eye. So we're gonna do one here in the middle and two, and we're gonna join them with a curve that goes from side to side. Now we're gonna do two curves underneath. Look at this, Mateo. It's gonna look like this: a curve and a curve. Now we're gonna do a second curve. This curve is gonna be even bigger and we're gonna come close to this. We're gonna leave a space here. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna start from this point and I'm gonna curve down, wide open. I wanna come up and I wanna stop right here because I need a space here for the tongue. Okay, now we're gonna trace the tongue and it's gonna come from the middle of the mouth out. It's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go out. Okay, now look at this. We're gonna come down and out again. And now we're gonna join here. Okay, now we're gonna do the teeth. And the teeth are what?
Pointy.
Very pointy, right? So we're gonna start with triangles on this corner. And so I'm just gonna do a line here for one. And then I wanna do two. And then 3, 4. And if you can fit another one, put 5 in there. I'm just gonna put a line. Good job. Now let's do the same thing down here. But before we do that, we're gonna do a second line. So we're gonna kind of like trace the lip of him. So we're gonna just go and do a second line inside. And now we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do teeth. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now let's do the arms, and the arms are kind of like what? What do you say? Flappy or wiggly, right?
He moves his arms pretty much like he only has bone like here up to here.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna mark that. Then we're gonna do the shoulder here. We're gonna do up and down. Now the same thing in the other side. Go up and down. I went up a little and down. Okay, now on the right side we're gonna go up higher. So we're gonna continue this line. I'm gonna go up like this. Now I'm gonna do a second line that is gonna follow the same shape. So I'm gonna leave a space here and I'm gonna go up, down, and up this way. Good. Now he has 3 fingers and they look like kind of like a rectangle shape. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
Basically, my theory is that green was based off of those things that they inflate and they go like their arms go everywhere.
Yeah, they flap their arms.
Yeah, I guess he was based on that.
Yeah, I think so. We are gonna do this arm pointing down. So look, from this point we're gonna go up again and now down.
It's like a ski slope.
Now let's repeat the same shape we did. So leave a space and we're gonna just follow this line we did. And we're gonna go down. And we're gonna do the same fingers now pointing down. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Roblox. Or is it Minecraft? No one knows.
Now we're gonna do the body. So we're gonna do 1 line and 1 line in the other side. Now we're gonna do the curve for the legs. So we're gonna curve and come down. Curve and come down. Now we're gonna do line, line. And this part is gonna be kind of like a square shape. So we're gonna go up, curve, and come back down.
Green's my second favorite rainbow friend because he's like those wiggly arm things that I thought he was based on, which are on the street, but they just gave it legs.
And there, that's it. We finished this rainbow friend, Green, and now my favorite part is coming in. That is,
Let's colorear.
let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out. This is a super easy color. We just went with the colors of the character, which is basically green and a red tongue, right? Do you like it? Are you happy with how your picture turned out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you did awesome. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye. We gotta hurry because I think I just heard green.